Hi folks, on my channel you can follow my restoration of my BMW E39 520i Touring or station wagon project. This car will be in condition like a 2-3 years old car, almost like a mint condition. And the reason is because I love to watch the series, the Wheelers Dealers with Mike Brewer and that China. And I love the idea to bring these getting older cars back on the roads. These cars are disappeared from the streets mostly in many countries. Even they have manufactured many 1.5 million units from the 5 Series, the E39. And once you see one on the street, especially in a mint condition, you just can't get your eyes off it. Just follow it till you can see it, because it has a character and it's so beautiful. Doesn't matter what engine is inside, it's beautiful, and that's it. So this is the project what I do now. We are in almost finished stage, and of course this project we add a little extra on it with the Blood Knights, or the vérlovagok, which they are a Hungarian blood and any urgent equipment the hospitality needs, they just deliver it in very short time. And of course we will donate some part of this project once we sell it. But right now we are in this stage. The bodywork received a throughout polish and a beautiful ceramic coating at Surfaces Services in Budapest after repainting a few selected panels. The result is exactly what we were aiming for: a flawless surface, deep gloss and real shine. The wheels were fully refurbished by Ossi Sinter Ltd, fitted with new wheel bolts from Comfort Gummi Ltd, new center caps and a black E39 Style wall caps. The interior received the same level of attention of details. The GNU E39 floor mat set was installed, along with new door sill protectors. The cigarette burn on the rear seat cushion is gone, replaced with the matching original interior piece. The broken roller cover in the center console was replaced, and the steering wheel received a full retrim in black leather with black stitching, perfectly matched the factory look. The fuel cap and the spring mechanism of the fuel door were replaced, while the spare wheel remains in immaculate, near new condition. Still the original piece now is 23 years old. The trunk was completed with original factory mounting straps, a practical cargo net, the warning triangle and all missing tools, including the wheel wrench and the screwdrivers, were restored. A new rear tailgate was installed, instantly refreshing the look of the car, and the front kidney grills were replaced as well, taking the place of the damaged originals. Small details? Absolutely. But it's exactly these details that make the car feel complete and bring back the character that makes the BMW E39 so special. This is where the project stands today, and from here we keep moving forward. So here we are at this stage with the restoration of the E39, and yes, it's gonna be ready soon, and of course we will make a video before we place this car into the craft car dealership for 4 weeks. And from starting bid to the final bid, of course we'll donate this part of the money to the Hungarian Blood Knights, the vérlovagok, because they are heroes, everyday heroes. They are working 24/7, they are working right now as well and saving lives probably, like every other minute. And I was just thinking, what else should I do with this project? Yes, we will going to give a beautiful car back to the road with a happy owner, a new owner, but I love the mini-me's, the matchboxes. When I was a kid, I was collect them, I love to play them. I think many people, you do guys as well, right? Please write me the comment on your opinion. But in a growing man status, like I am now, getting older, of course, the people are the same, so we have just the more expensive toys. And if we could do it by money-wise, we could have like 20, 50, whatever cars in our garage, like we had in Matchbox in the collection when we were kids. So I was trying to control my collector's habit and always try to collect as a grown man the mini-me's of my cars, which I had previously and what I currently own. It's not easy all the time because, for example, BMW E39 model, it's not easy to find, but I was just thinking, maybe I will be very happy if I would receive not just a beautiful car when I'm donating and helping a fantastic project and having a very nice car, but having a small mini-me on my shelf. So this is going to be shown in this video. What is the extra gift? Yes, it's a die-cast metal 1.18 model 999 collection from Netherlands. Beautiful, but this model is not exactly the same what we have in our project. In our project we have a 2002 model with the Style 32 wheels, and this one has a regular E39 wheels. Side panels are not painted, it's black, side lights are yellow, and of course interior is gray, not black. So we just thinking we need to be more customized this car. So, and we did. So this is the almost finished version. I say almost finished version, it's because the 3D printed wheels are on the file it says 17-inch, but as you see it looks more like I think 19 or 20 or maybe 18-inch wheels. It's like a Pimp My Ride version, but I like the exact that way what we're going to give in the original car. So if you know someone who can print in 3D version the 17-inch wheels, which is much more nicer size for the car, I really appreciate your help. So please contact me and write me on the comment section if you want. Yeah, that was Norby who made it for us. Perfect. Anyway, it's nice and beautiful. From the Diecast Customs Hungary. I will link his contact details in the description. Of course, like everybody else who helped me into this project, like Károly Szabó from Dunaújváros, who painted the interior for black. I think it's beautiful. And also Adam's Customs from Hungary. He painted the side lights. He also made the tag on the car plate, and also in the side panel has been painted, so the black part disappeared. So now it completely looks like a 2002 after facelift model. But it's beautiful. I was thinking we should give something a little more extra. So what else can be a nice environment for a beautiful little model like this? This car has a beautiful garage. Of course, not everybody's garage like this, but if you have an option like this to put this little model into, I would love it into my shelf. But you can switch on the light as well, so it will give you a nice evening decoration for your home, and you will love to watch it when you have this car in your garage and you have it on your shelf as well, the mini-me version. As you see, there are some tires which were originally on the model, and we were thinking maybe we should give some extra, not because we not give enough, but we already bought those wheels, renovated them with Ossis Inter Ltd, made a fantastic beautiful job. We're going to buy some winter tires for it, and it will comes with the car, so fully, completely a mini-me, you have it on the shelf. So this is the model what we're going to give to the new owner with the car, almost the same. I say almost because the wheels are not exactly the same scale, because even if it says the file 17-inch, this looks like much more, 19 or something. But Norby from Diecast Custom, he's on Instagram. I will place his details and you can follow him on Instagram. In the comment section I will put it, like everybody has details. He actually in 1/64 scale, but he's professional. Fantastic job he does. And also Adam's Customs, TikTok, beautiful pieces what he makes, and he's on TikTok, and he made a facelift version, everything which belongs to the facelift, and of course the interior Károly Szabó Károly in Hungary, he painted. I love this model, I love this project. We are almost finished, and yeah, I just can say follow us on this channel, write your opinion, what do you think, you would love this little model or not with the car, and of course I wish you have a nice day. Bye. This project was supported by DDC Ltd, Comfort Gumi Service Ltd, Kedvenc Auto Service, Ossi Sinter Ltd, Craft Auto Car Dealership, Premium Car Services. Thank you.